Hey everyone, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, let me introduce you to the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, a true 12-in-1 powerhouse that transforms your kitchen into a gourmet haven. This isn't just any oven. With its 30-quart capacity, it can handle a 12-inch pizza, a 4-pound roast, or multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for family dinners, meal prep, or entertaining guests. Imagine having the freedom to adjust your cooking settings on the fly, with a precise temperature range from 50 degrees to 500 degrees. In 5-degree increments, you're in complete control of your culinary creations. Need to perfect that pizza? Just set the bottom heaters to full power and the top heaters to 30% for a crispy crust with perfectly melted cheese. And if you're cooking something else, the built-in digital temperature probe continuously monitors your food, automatically ending the cooking process once your desired doneness is reached. No more guesswork. This smart oven comes loaded with 12 preset cooking functions plus an extra 100 pre-programmed recipes and 50 memory slots to store your favorites. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, or toasting, the Nuwave Bravo has you covered. Its unique design even lets you adjust the top and bottom heaters independently so you can create custom heating zones for the perfect result every time. But it's not just about performance, it's built to last. Constructed with a shatter-proof tempered glass door, heavy-duty cooking racks, and a non-stick enamel baking pan, every component is designed for durability and ease of cleaning. The intelligent touch controls and cool, easy-to-read display make it simple to operate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Now here's something really important. Always buy original products and stay away from copies to ensure you receive the high-quality performance and durability Nuwave is known for. That's why I've shared the official product link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to risk your money on knockoffs when the real deal offers everything you need. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile, high-performing oven that saves you time and brings restaurant-quality results to your home, click the link now and get your Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven today. Experience the ultimate convenience and start cooking like a pro.